Hey everybody, Vince the Prince. I just wanted to get on here and make a quick video, and I'm the kind of person that likes to record storms, so I figure it's a beautiful snowstorm. Why not watch it for a little bit? Today is the final final day of December 2019. I'm going to try to stay up late this time. This time I want to stay up past midnight and see the new year come. Last year I didn't get that opportunity because I was just tired. But this is gonna be my first video for today, and then I will make another video at the end, at the final countdown. Please enjoy the snowstorm. Let me move the camera so you folks can get a different view of something else.
More importantly, you've adopted a voice changer? Not for long. Oh, I know Dibs and the Golden Age Flash. Hang on, I need that to put my Justice Society in a perfect one. Too bad I got Dibs. You can just call Dibs. I did look up Dibs on Wikipedia. Dibs doesn't apply in a bidding war. Not a bidding war. Selling it on to Larry down at the comic book store. Why Larry? Did Larry call Dibs? You forget Dibs. You have to pay a fair price for the whole collection. What's the number? I'll match it. I'll match it plus 1,000 rupees. What's the exchange rate? None of your business. Take it or leave it. My bar mitzvah box. How much do I got? Thanks. I can go $2,600 and 2 trees in Israel. Forget it, guys. I sort of wanted you. The other two are going to be really mad at me. Who cares as long as you pick me? Okay, let's go. Sorry, guys. My mind is made up. No. I can't let you do this. Sheldon, get out of my way. None shall pass.
By the way, folks, that's the Big Bang Theory playing in the background.
I did not want to do this, but I have here the rare mint condition.
I have the complete collection.
Generation Geordie LaForge without his visor in the original packaging. If you do not get out of my way, I will open it. Okay, man, be cool. We're all friends here.
What the hell's going on?
You hypocrite.
What?
Little Miss Grown-ups don't play with toys. If I went into that apartment right now, would I not find Beanie Babies? Are you not an accumulator of Care Bears and My Little Ponies? And who is that Japanese feline I see frolicking on your shore? Hello, kitty.
Hope you enjoyed the snowstorm.